How's it going, guys? Roland Rossi back again. Just fishing at that spring lake. They got two videos on this lake, and it's right before a cold front. It's gonna be a little windy in this video, my bad. But we're gonna try to get one or more. Try to get them today. Hopefully, right before this front, we'll really get aggressive and try to get something before this front comes through. Just throwing a shallow diving crankbait. More of a medium, but it's like it's not really hitting the bottom, so it's nice and suspended near the bottom. Alright guys, I'm back. I just switched over to a Texas rig, like a Buddha bait crawl. It's kind of more of a creature bait. Did you lose him again? It's gonna be working the bottom, guys. You lost him twice? 3 times. Guys, we're gonna move over to the same place I've been fishing like always. So I'll get to that in just a sec. Back at the Huge. Got one. Got one, guys. Not a big one. Decent. Not that big. Got it, guys. You're stuck in those weeds. Ooh, man. Hey, let me see the Boca grips. Look at that, guys. I didn't think it was that big, but look at that. See how much he weighs, guys. It's weird. It's at the edge of 4. No, it's at 4. It's just not nudging it. Alright, guys. We got a 4. He's nice. Yes. Oh! Man, I wasn't even ready for that. He came straight out. Oh, that was weird. Dang, guys, he came straight out, getting no time. Huh? Yeah, I know. Shouldn't be casting too far out because you'll just start dragging stuff after a while. Man, guys, that was so close I couldn't even get a hook set on. Hopefully we can get another one, guys. Seems like they're pretty active. Oh, I got one. There we go, guys. Must be the one I missed. That was close to the shore. Man, guys, they are smashing this jig today. God, man. Smashed. Ooh, buddy. Like, even in... Alright, guys, what we got? Another 4-pounder, guys. Alright, let's get him back in the water. Look at that one, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. God, that was so close to the shore, man. That must have been the one that missed it. Yeah, it was right at the same spot. It's funny because I bring you here to get on the biggins. And you come here, I don't, dude, you just need to, because this place is crazy on jigs. They'll destroy football heads here too. Oh, looks like about that time. God, guys, they destroyed this. Oh, I know. Yeah. I didn't even know I had him because he was going with the weeds. I thought I just got into a clump. There's one. Well, I caught 2 4s off of this one today. I think that gets the bad juju. Well, I don't know. That like 6 at the campsite probably got the bad juju off. Alright, how's it going, guys? Rolling Rossi back at you. We're going to get out of here. It's getting a little dark. So, like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys.